Hello everyone, we came back with a new video of AI in GraphRag. What if AI could see connections, not just text blocks?
Let's talk about GraphRag, a powerful upgrade to retrieval augmented generation. Instead of pulling text chunks independently, GraphRag links entities and relationships using knowledge graph, or even dynamically builds one from documents.
In simple terms, GraphRag enriches retrieval by connecting the dots. Where traditional RAG treats each chunk as isolated, GraphRag allows multi-hop reasoning, entity disambiguation, and provenance tracking. This is crucial when answers depend on relationships across different documents. Why it matters?
Yeah, why it matters? With GraphRag, AI doesn't just look at pieces of information. It understands how these pieces connect. That means better accuracy, context, and trust, especially in fields where relationships matter more than isolated facts.
So, some practical scenarios of GraphRag are examples. So, a practical scenario of GraphRag in pharma.
Trace a
Trace a drug, first trace a drug, and next clinical trial, then principal investigator, finally reported adverse events. Another example of GraphRag in financial crime.
detect fraud rings by linking accounts, merchants, and devices.
So, another practical scenario of GraphRag in engineering. Let's see.
Cross reference parts, drawings, build of materials, bombs, and change orders to avoid costly mistakes.
So, here So, another example of GraphRag in FAQ navigator. FAQ is nothing but female
Frequently.
frequently answered questions navigator. So, let's see how it is.
Build a topic graph to merge duplicates and highlight graphs.
So, here is an extra insight of GraphRag, guys. Let's see how it is.
Think of a graph rag as giving AI a mind map instead of a float notebook. It sees relationships, patterns, and chains of reasoning, not just the standalone text blocks.
So that's GraphRag in a nutshell. Smarter retrieval with real world connections. Want me to dive deeper into how these GraphRags are actually built? Drop a comment below. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.